How to use analytics in Squarespace. In order to do that, first head over to the actual website that you wish to actually see the actual analytics. Let's click on this right here, and then this should be able to open that site. Once the site has been opened, you can head over and edit it all you want. Now in here, you can see the left sidebar. You can find analytics. Head over and click on this. From in there, you can see the analytics that you currently have onto this site. So I have just newly created this site, so I don't have any visits, bounce rates, unique visitors, and page views yet. So you should be able to see in here your traffic, as well as where your traffic is coming from, as well as the keywords effective for your site, and also the geography that your actual visitors have. So you can see all of the data from in there under the traffic. You also have engagements, and you can also see the analytics for your sales right there. So you can actually export this analytics, study it in order to further improve your site. So that's how you use analytics in Squarespace. Hope we help.